I don't know. Does it look like I installed remote start? Why would I know that? Why would I know that?
There you go.
Why would I know that? Do I know the signs between a push start and remote start? No.
So the next time
he was putting a push start, and that's all I knew. So not that he was replacing the remote start that he already had. So now he's buying another remote start.
He told you that outside, though.
When? He didn't even talk to me outside.
Someone else did.
Yeah, that's his brother's car. They're putting a remote start in that.
Yeah.
We're talking about his car.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Get that fire escape plan going. Yeah, I guess just park wherever.
But it's very quiet.
Yeah, very quiet.
We heard a downshift like 5 minutes ago. Alright, here it is.
I hear it. This shit better be fucking... Does it idle hard?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's loud. He's probably far away.
Oh yeah. I fucking love it. Check this out, bro. Who's that doors? Backwards, yeah. And I close it with a button. I'm trying to get her to learn the spell. I don't know how to. There it is.
Goddamn, I think it's low on the ground.
Oh, yeah, you got it. Oh yeah, it is. Artemis, what's up?
What's up, man? Yeah. Hey, how are you? Woo, it's cold.
That couple just got pigs. This guy's getting a pig. He's getting a pig. He's getting a pig. I'm getting pigs.
That's a Lamborghini.
Hell yeah, it is.
It's ready. It's getting further shit right now.
Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna have him.
Are you guys coming back, or are you done?
Can I ride with you?
No, we're gonna do a few rolling shots. I'll put my fake police car in the middle of the road.
Sells it.
Yeah, if he sells it, I'll buy it off him.
You better let him know that you're first in line.
Yeah, I'll tell him, man. I got dibs.
It looks wild. We got a land yacht. I guess that's a land yacht too. It's just flatter. He's not gonna know how to open the door. He don't know how to do it. He's stuck. He's stuck in there.
Carbon fiber in everything.
I rescued him. That's crazy. That was epic.
Yeah, follow me, nigga. I just had one in green, nigga. Follow me, nigga. HOWLL 660, nigga. I'm the Reaper, nigga. Show 'em my shit, nigga. Yeah, alright then, nigga. Follow me, nigga. I gotta get my fan base up like Picasso, nigga. Let the nigga see my shit, nigga. Just fuck him on, nigga. I don't do so, like, you follow me, nigga, what? Show him go to my shit, nigga. Show him how I'm busting, nigga. Yeah. No, nigga, don't show him my ass. Come on, go down. Keep going. There I go. Go, nigga, go down. That's the nut, nigga, right there, nigga. Bro, come on, bro. What are you doing, bro? Come on, I got one eye, nigga. I'm blind. Right there, nigga. There I go. Say that. Like that shit, nigga. See?
I recorded that all.
Oh, no, it's a Ferrari.
Dude, I can't really say that.
He said this is a Corvette. Arm said it's a Ferrari.
Really? Seriously? You must be joking.
Look at that door, so shiny.
Yeah, man, it's a new Corvette. Cody, is there a way we can lift the door to make it seem like it opened by itself for the video? So we can do a nice pan? We gotta do it in the background so you don't see it.
Oh yeah, you want me to go under it?
I gotta figure it out. And I'll be buckled in orange.
So you'll be sitting in it and then...
Yeah, I'll be sitting in it.
Where are you gonna be filming from?
Sergio, where are we filming?
He knows you. He said I got Yeah.
Yo, Cody, take a picture of me and Carlos here.
Hold on, let me take this off. Hold on.
I ain't holding it because I got
gotta
this.
get a fucking pic.
How am I gonna?
Let's just put this on.
All right.
So we see the rolls. Like, let me do this right here.
I got it.
Like, so kind of like that. So you see the rolls.
All right. Okay.
That's our photo.
Go this way a little bit.
This way?
Yeah. Art them in that way. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it.
And then cheese.
Cheese. All right.
We're about to do some big deal.
Yeah. About to close on a shopping mall. Yeah.
Dude, that's sick.
Put that on your story.